Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a pretty cool little knife here to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the TacKnives Sunspear, and this one's on loan to me from Fred the Lug. Really appreciate him allowing me to take a look at this knife, do a disassembly and cleaning, and all that kind of stuff. Did have a little bit of fun with this one. I started the video and could not get the pivot out. It had a lot of Loctite in there, so I applied a little bit of heat to the pivot using a soldering iron, and then actually gripped the blade like this to put tension on the pivot, and was able to get it loose. So that was a little bit of fun, but it did come loose. By the way, this is a T8 on the body screw as well as the pivot. And if we can get that to come out. There we go. I'm going to drop that pivot into the... And it looks like I'm going to have to take loose at least one. Let me grab another. There's a T8 in that. Looks like I'm going to have to grab at least a T6 and get those at least one of these pocket clip screws, but then that's not, maybe. No, I don't think it is. I don't think the pocket screw had anything to do with it. Yeah, I guess it did. Okay. Something else is keeping this from turning loose. Alright, we'll take the other one out too then. Okay, we've got the clip completely. And so we got that there. And why are you not letting go? Wow. There we go. Okay, you got the button actuator liner lock there. Alright. Let's get that out. And just wipe out everything else down. We'll get a cotton swab and just wipe down the inside there. Wipe down this inside here. Now this is a budget knife, so it's pretty cool budget knife though. And I've been wanting to take this one apart and get it cleaned up and see if it's even smoother once that's done. And we'll clean that. Clean that up and also clean this blade up. And I'll get a cotton tip applicator and get in some of these areas that I'm not able to get in. Clean that. And then also we'll make sure, let's see. Alright. Let's get a fresh alcohol swab. Get those bearings out, clean them off. Actually, I'm going to dunk this into the alcohol and let it's not actually going to dissolve that Loctite. but it could help loosen it up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I already cleaned it up a little bit, but I'm going to take the pivot screw and back out and see if I get any more junk off of it. Looks like it's pretty well done. And then I'm going to take this and clean it off again. Alright. Okay, let me go ahead and grab a cotton tip applicator. I want to clean out this area there. Clean out the detent, the hole where the detent ball goes into. Clean those areas out. See if I can get down in here and clean that area where the internal stop pin goes. Oops, clean that out. Let's grab another cotton tip applicator because I popped that one off there. Clean where that goes. Just looking at the build of how that button goes into there. I think that's it. Let's dry that off a little bit. Not completely dried yet. Let's help it out a little bit if we can. Grab a dry one and clean that off. Okay. Looking better, looking better. Alright, and so it looks like it's indexed where that is up. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and get a bearing. Whoops, wait a minute. Okay. That's going to go on that side. So that one's there. Okay. So let's grab this washer, put that over there. Then we'll find that bearing that we just lost. There we go. And we'll get some gunny glide. That's what I like using. You may use whatever your preferred knife oil, knife lube is. And we'll go ahead and put that there. And go ahead and put this other bearing there. Again, just a little dab on each side. And on the top here, I'm getting it close to that pivot so that it kind of runs down where that blade goes around the pivot there. Right, that's the body screw there. Okay. So this is going to go in as such. This is actually the first time I've had it completely apart, so this is why I'm carefully putting things together, because it is the first time I've had it apart. Alright, and then that goes as such. We've got a body screw here, which was a T8. Okay, and then we are going to, let's see, we got that turned a little bit there. Alright, and I'm going to put some Loctite stick on this. Not near the amount that was on it though. I see that. And I'm trying to get that extra off there. And then we will get that set. And then we need to put the pocket clip on there. That can be fun sometimes when you got little screws like this, but let's see if we can't coax it to get back in its little slot. There we go. And then use our driver with a T6 on it. Get that lined up. Okay. That one tightened. And that one tightened. Alright, let's check. No play. Oh yeah. And that's just going to keep getting looser as that oil spreads around. So there you have it. The TacKnives Sunspear. And I hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks.